If I could go back and change one thing as a beginner trader, it wouldn't be my strategy. It wouldn't be my entries. And it definitely wouldn't be finding another indicator. It would be one simple habit that took me far too long to start: journaling. Now, I know that probably doesn't sound very exciting. Most traders would rather spend time looking for the perfect setup, the perfect strategy, or the next big move. I was no different. But looking back, I think journaling accelerated my progress more than anything else. Here's why. When I was a newer trader, I kept making the same mistakes over and over. I'd take trades that weren't really there. I'd get impatient and enter too early. I'd break my own rules and then convince myself there was a good reason. And after a while, I'd forget about it and do the exact same thing again. The problem wasn't that I wasn't learning. The problem was that I wasn't paying attention. Once I started journaling my trades, things changed. Not overnight, but slowly, patterns started showing up. I could see when I was overtrading. I could see when I was forcing setups. I could see when emotions were making decisions instead of my trading plan. And that's when improvement became much easier. Because it's hard to fix a problem you can't see. A trading journal gives you something most traders don't have: feedback. Not from the market, from yourself. The market doesn't care about your goals, but your journal can show you exactly where you're getting in your own way. The funny thing is, most traders spend years searching for better strategies, when sometimes the biggest opportunity is simply understanding their own behavior. That's why, if I could give one piece of advice to a beginner trader, it would be this: start journaling sooner. You don't need anything complicated. Just track your trades, track your decisions, track your mistakes, and be honest with yourself. Because the habits you measure are the habits you can improve. Thanks for watching my video. And if you're looking for a simple way to stay accountable and review your trading decisions, I've put together trading journals and free resources designed specifically for traders. You can find them at the link below. And if you enjoy content about trading psychology, discipline, and long-term consistency, consider subscribing for future videos. Thanks again, and good luck in your trading.